Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today we are going to be playing with the new Jeffree Star Cremated Palette. I am super excited. I received this last week. I have to say I have used it a few times, but today we are going to create a look together. So if you want to see what I create, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so here it is. It's been all over the internet. We are going to create a look with the Jeffree Star Cremated Palette today. Before we hop into the video, I just wanted to say a quick thank you for those of you who are checking out my video. Don't know how you found me, but thanks for stopping by. I am Danielle LaRocca and I do beauty reviews, unboxings, all kinds of stuff. I throw in a little bit of lifestyle, so I would really appreciate it if you stuck around and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. So without further ado, here's what we're working with today. When this arrived, it came in a black shipping box, and then when I opened it, it was wrapped in really cool, you know, the typical Jeffree Star tissue paper, only instead of the stars on this one, it had the urn detail on it, and I thought that was so cool. I'm really excited about this palette. This is the most excited I've been about a palette in a while, it seems like. And I will be giving my final thoughts on the palette at the end, so make sure that you stay tuned if you want to hear what I actually think about the performance of the palette and all that stuff. And I already have a little bit of a leg up because I have used this about 3 times already, and I have some thoughts, but wait till the end to see. So it came in this unicarton, and it's so pretty the way that it's detailed. It reminds me of like a mausoleum, you know, in a graveyard. Very cool. This is the first time that his face has been on a package, which I think is really cool. And if you guys don't know, he has an Instagram filter using this. And again, I use Instagram all the time, so if you guys want to reach out to me on Instagram, feel free. I have my link in my description box below. I love to hear ideas and different kinds of makeup videos that you guys want to see. So when we open it, of course, it has the mirror, and then here is all the different colors. But okay, so I'm gonna hop in and do my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Eye Primer. So I've played around with, of course, the blacks and the dark grays, but I kind of wanted to dip into more of like these brown colors today. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe M321 bullet crease brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Inheritance right here, and I'm also going to dip into the shade The Morgue, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to put that kind of like in my corner.
I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows handed me a question: if I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do? What would I do?
Next, I'm taking like a fluffy edged brush. I don't remember where I got this brush. I think it might have been Sephora. And then we're gonna dip into the shade Obituary down here in the corner, and we're going to kind of buff out our brow bone.
Relief came with a little breath, with nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So what do I do?
Next, I'm going to take one of my Anastasia brushes that came in one of my palettes, and I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush on the end. And I'm going to take the shade Mausoleum, and I'm going to put that all over my lid.
Lucky me, it was only a dream within a dream. It gave me sight unseen, and suddenly I knew what was haunting me. The last bite, the last memory of our last night, as I watched you walk away from me. How could I let you leave? How could I let you leave? What do I do?
Next, we're going to go back in with those two original colors that we used, Inheritance and the Morgue, and we're just going to kind of go back in and darken up the corners.
Cold sweat, woke up from a nightmare. The sun was peeking its head into the room.
And then now for the outer part of the brow bone, I want to go in with the shade Afterlife down here.
Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around...
Next, I want to go in with Hearse up here, the black shade, and I'm going to lightly kind of smoke out the corners of my eyes.
Wasn't you? I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows handed me a question: if I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do?
Then I'm going to go in with the shade Angel of Death, the sparkly color, and I'm going to kind of put it on the edge of where we have the smoked out color.
What would I do? Woke up from my premonition, I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find you. So I flipped out, I ran into the kitchen, I found a little note saying no.
Now you're going to go in with an edged brush, and I'm going to take the shade Gravedigger up here, and we're going to line our lower lash line.
Be back soon. Relief came with a little breath, with nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone.
Okay, now I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be right back because I'm going to give my final thoughts for you guys on the palette. Okay everybody, this is the finished look. I really like how this turned out, and for you guys that are going to ask me later, my lip shade I mixed from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Posh Spice, and Celebrity Skin. So let's go over the palette. So today we used about 8 shades in this palette. Final thoughts. Again, this is the most excited I have been about a palette release in a long time, just because it's more my style, obviously. For those of you who don't know me, I love emo, anything like goth, and I too, like Jeffree Star, I want to be a mortuary beautician. I've always thought that was really cool, and that's actually something I'm looking into since we're stuck at home in quarantine. I'm kind of researching, and anyways, I love all the dark stuff. I think it's amazing. Now I have to say I am a tad bit disappointed in the palette because I think there's a lot of kind of the same tones of grays. Like, you know, you have these ones and there's only one black. I wish there was a little bit more variety of different shades of black, if that makes sense, or even like more darker grays. I do like the light colors though for like transitions and highlights. I haven't played with like the whites and like some of these beiges yet, but I definitely will. So that's probably the only thing negative I have to say about the palette, and it's not even really negative because I still love this palette and I have been using it every single day since I got it. It's definitely a new favorite of mine. I love how big the mirror is. The colors blend out very nicely, and I have to say this is the first palette of his where I didn't have any fallout on my face. There was fallout in the pans, which is fine, and even if I did get fallout on my face, it wouldn't really bother me because I just take like a bronzer brush and I just kind of sweep it off. So I am really excited. I love how this turned out. I'm glad that I picked this color combo today instead of doing just like the black and dark colors that I was doing, because I did get a chance to play with the lighter shades and I was really impressed. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and give me some comments down below, you guys. I love seeing your comments. I love hearing ideas. Have you tried this palette? Do you have this palette yet? I'm pretty shocked that I got this palette as quick as I did because, I mean, he has his lab or shipping in Southern California and I'm in Northern California, and people were a little jealous that I got the palette so quickly. And I have to say, with the coronavirus still going on, I was a bit shocked myself that I received it so quickly. So that just shows how on point Jeffree Star is and his team of people that work for him. He's amazing, obsessed, everything he does, amazing. Anyway, so please leave me some comments down below. I would love to hear your feedback. You can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up down here below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.